we're going to do. Have you ever seen a bounce? Well, let's see. Can you believe it? These two eggs used to be the same size, but this one now looks like a super jumbo size. Wow! It's naked! It has no eggshell! To do this naked egg and to make it bounce, get eggs and then put it in a jar with vinegar, white vinegar in it. Soak it for at least 2 weeks. Let's bounce it into a crack. Thanks for watching!